In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and format tables in Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're a student organizing research, a professional drafting a report, or just someone looking to structure information neatly, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. To begin, position your cursor in the document where you want the table to appear. The next step is to navigate to the main menu bar located at the very top of your document window. From here, you will click on the Insert option. This is the central hub for adding various elements to your document, from images and charts to special characters and, of course, tables. Once you click Insert, a drop-down menu will appear with a list of options. Hover your mouse over the Table option, which is usually the second item on the list. You don't even need to click it. Just hovering will reveal a grid. This grid allows you to visually select the dimensions of your table. As you move your mouse over the squares, you'll see a preview of the table size. For this example, we will create a table with 4 columns and 3 rows. Simply drag your cursor to highlight a 4x3 grid and then click to insert it into your document. Now that your table is in the document, let's look at how to modify it. You can easily add more rows or columns. To add a row, first click inside any cell in the row where you want the new row to be adjacent. In this case, we'll click in the second row. Next, right-click to bring up the context menu. This menu provides quick access to many table editing functions. From this list, select Insert Row above to add a new, blank row directly above your current position. The process for adding columns is very similar. First, place your cursor in any cell within the column where you want to add a new one. For this demonstration, we'll click inside the first column. Then, right-click again to open the context menu. This time, find and select the Insert Column Left option. As you can see, a new column is immediately added to the left of the column you had selected. Similarly, if you need to add a column to the other side, the process is just as straightforward. Keep your cursor in the same column, right-click to reveal the menu, and this time choose Insert Column Right. Google Docs will instantly add another new column, this time to the right of your selected column, expanding your table's width. Creating a header or title for your table often requires merging cells. To do this, first select the cells you want to combine into one. You can do this by clicking in the first cell, holding down your mouse button, and dragging across the entire top row. Once all the cells in the row are highlighted, right-click anywhere within the highlighted area. From the context menu that appears, scroll down and find the Merge Cells option. Clicking this will combine all the selected cells into a single large cell, perfect for a table title. With the top row merged, the next logical step is to add and format our title. To center the text within this new, larger cell, navigate to the formatting toolbar at the top of the screen. Look for the alignment icon. It looks like a series of lines, and click on it, then select Center Align. Now you can type your title. For this example, we'll simply type Table. To make it stand out, you can highlight the text and click the B icon in the toolbar to make it bold. And there you have it. You've successfully created a table in Google Docs, added rows and columns, and even formatted a title by merging cells. This is a fundamental skill for organizing data effectively within your documents. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.